In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks 16-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded Greenworks 16-inch snow thrower models. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning! This video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove packing material. Carefully lift the snow thrower out of the box and set it on the ground. Remove any zip ties and plastic from the handle components. There is a wire connecting the handle to the snow thrower. Gently set these components next to the unit, being careful not to damage the wire. The operator's manual can be found in the bag with the chute deflector. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Installing the middle handle. Remove the U-bolts and the knobs from the lower handle. Align the holes on the middle and lower handle. Insert the U-bolts through the holes and secure the knob. Repeat on the opposite side. Installing the upper handle. Remove the knob and bolt located near the top of the middle handle on each side. Align the holes on the upper and middle handles. Reinsert the handle bolt through the holes and secure the knob. Repeat on the opposite side. Assembling the chute deflector. The chute is pre-installed on this unit. Push the chute deflector until the latching tabs on both sides click into the slots and the posts on both sides click into the keyed holes. Secure the cables. Fasten the cables to the handles using the clips. Battery and charger. This step does not apply to corded models. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow shovel will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.